So who would be a good fit for doing tax strategy planning with you? And what are some examples of people who would not be a good fit as well?
It's a great question. And it's a question we ask in every discovery meeting we have. There's I'm sure there's trust factors there. They want to work with someone that is going to give them results. And ultimately, working with a strategist, it's not necessarily about telling them or giving strategies that they've never heard of before as much as it is about getting results.
Yeah.
So we had a meeting not that long ago where this, a guy was like, well, I already knew about that strategy. I knew about this one. I didn't know about that one, but what else you got? And ultimately it's like, that's not why we're here. We're here because you haven't implemented any of that. And you clearly don't feel confident in how to make it real. So that's why you hire us. So I would say if somebody is just like wanting to satisfy their FOMO and they're just like, I already have a good accountant, I'm not really looking for that. I just want an extra set of eyes, or I want to maybe hire you for just a short-term period and then go on my way. Probably not the best fit. We're looking for long-term relationships. We want to be what I like to call the strategic financial partner of a business owner. Mm-hmm. So obviously our focus is tax and accounting. That's the area that we really want to hone in on and strengthen our business owner clients' positions in. If it's someone that's just wanting a one-time thing, there's probably other places they can go.
What would an ideal client look like?
An ideal client would either want something where they want advisory, but maybe they do have a good tax preparer that has no interest in doing tax strategy and they don't feel threatened by having a strategist, or someone that is looking for a strategist in addition to a tax preparer. Because honestly, we've done both, and I always like to be able to do strategy with prep because I know exactly how the return is going to streamline. Camilo knows how things are going to streamline. The rest of our team knows how it's going to streamline. Whereas a tax preparer may not understand the requirements of a particular strategy that we're implementing. It's typically those three tiers of strategy or strategy and prep, or they want something more involved where it's bookkeeping, strategy, and prep with maybe some additional things that they need.
Yeah.
But typically it's one of those three that we want to have with them, and we want to be there long term for them.